Good afternoon to all my students of class 11. Today we study diversity in the living world. Diversity the lairiba tongan ba living world singa se matau karam na ikoi na lairiba no makoi gi masing kam yam na lai makoi gi maming mata identification karamana tawudi have the ikoi. If you look around, you will see a large variety of living organisms. Be it potted plant, insect, bird, your pet, or other animals and plants. Different type of or different variety of living organism we will see it covered. From the potted plant, gamla da natraga yumda cha da chodariba. Tilkang sing, usiakoya sing, yumda you sa makal sing, pabi makal mam sing. There are also the several organisms that you cannot see with your naked eye, but they are all around you. Adigi mathakta amuka atopa yamna pikpo organism kaya ma koi min na phaba uba phamdraba koi ga koi da kaya ma su leiri. If you were to increase the area that you make observation in the range and variety of the organism that you see would increase. If you were increase in area, makoi singa doi koi min ubungam drasu makoi gi mafam amadi kali amasung makoi du different type of ranges of organisms singa koi na laigani makoi gi hangalai. Obviously, if you were to visit a dense forest, you will probably see a much greater number and kinds of living organisms in it. Koi na koi nak pa jungle lama de koi na koi du na sapa yam draga yamna Songba jungle amada sangu matam da zuma da zu asugumba masing langam draba different type of organism or different kind of living organisms in laikani is different kind of plant animal or organism that you see represent a species adugumba tongan ba different kind of plant animals and organisms sing ado makoi amamam na makoi amamamgi species amamgi represent tawribni the number of species that are known and described range between 1.7 to 1.8 millions. Asugumna sum thibada sugumba amamam dugi species singa se thibada chauragna India world lairiba masinga se 1.7 to 1.8 millions of species laikani. Ko species amagi amamam ta thibada ko species mayam dugi macha sing du nataba species amam sigi thibada. These refer to biodiversity or the number and the type of organism present in earth. Asigumba singa se refer to riba to organism singa se ekoi ya koi bidale ba biodiversity asida amasung type of organism present in earth aduga different type of organism different type of biodiversity organism singa do leiribani. We should remember here that as we explore new area and even old ones, new organisms are continuously being identified. Ajoina adugumba masing langam draba jiba panba sing adugi area sing aribadagi anobadagi horaga continuously being identified to the badugumba jiba panba makal kaya amasugi world sida amasung lebak sa lairibani. As stated earlier, there are millions of plants and animals in the world. We know the plant and animal in our own area by their local names. Equina dugumba tongan mamang ediki lady by masing langam draw plan amasung animal singer the world lady but singer do. Equina we know kangi planams animal singer in our own area equimapamadugi natraga quick local names in Tonba. These local names would vary from place to place even within a country. Adugumba tongan ba local names singer do. Equina mapam dugi tongan la tholi amasung within a country of the Pumafam tongan Baming Tonbalay. Probably you would recognize the confusion that would be created if you did not find ways and means to talk to each other to refer to organism we are talking about. Adugumba tongan ba maming kangna reversing ado ko na mafam sometimes confusion to we maramaduna madugumba sing ado the ngakthong na pagi damakta ko na madugumba organism sing ado apunba means some puthok na darkar hoiba. Hence, there is a need to standardize the naming of living organism such that a particular organism is known by same name all over the world. Maramadun Haji Quena standardized Toraba maming ama amachung aduguma particular organism jing same name ama prithvi gi na khang na maming ama puthok pa darkar oire hujikti this process is called nomenclature adugumba mayam na yana maming am ka dang thon bagi niom ase ko nomenclature ni kawi obviously nomenclature or naming is only possible when the organism is described correctly and we know to what organism the name is attached to adugumba maming sing ado maming du thon matam do oithokpa yaba organism sing adu gi chap chaba amasung achumba amasung organism sing adu gi maming sing adu thonba amasung chapchan ba darkar hoy this is identification masibu ne ko ne kari koi posak adu gi webe yaba du organism gi tongan tongan ba character sing adu puthuwa matu thongol ba du identification ane koi in order to facilitate the study number of scientists establish procedure to assign a scientific name to each known organism madugi matugina tongan tongan ba leiri ba study sing number of scientists sing adu puthoi ba establishment mong sing amasung magi procedure gi matugina makoi sing adu gi maming sing adu no scientifically ba scientific name sing ona khangna gani this is acceptable to biologists all over the world madu prithvi da leiri ba biologists khuding ma madu yagani for plant scientific name are based on the agreed principle and the criteria which are provided in International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Pambi sing dimakta na scientific sing name sing thona bai damakta yanaraba sangsthana ma lei madu korean International Code of Botanical Nomenclature hain kawi you may ask how or animal name adu tari kon hangba yai animal sing di karam do ba animal taxonomies have evolved International Code of Zoological Nomenclature aduga sa sing dimakta so adugumba maming thona na ba kai lei evolved International Code of Zoological Nomenclature ICZN have a group asile the scientific name ensure that each organism has only one name adugumba scientific sing name ba scientific name sing adu maming am khaktama oigani description of any organism should enable to people in any part of the world to arrive at the same name madugi description organism sing adu gi oithokpa yaba part sing adu thungaba matungna madugi chamana maming oigani they also ensure that such a name has not been used for any other known organism madugi maming adu ga topa amataga manaba yaroi biologists follow universally accepted principle to provide scientific name to no organism biologists na puthoi badugumba mayamni yanaraba principle amagi matuna scientific name ado oigadabani each name has two component maming amam the component ani yawani the generic name and a specific epithelial ahan bagi aduna component ani simang da ahan bagi generic name oigani ani subugana sab sab mafam amagi specific epithelial maming oigani this system is providing a name with two component are called a binomial nomenclature so mena leiri ba system asi ba kari koi component ani su punchalaga binomial nomenclature ani koi this naming system given by the Carolus Linnaeus is being practiced by the biologists all over the world siguma maming thonbagi system ase halana Carolus Linnaeus na practice tokna puthomi masi prithivida this naming system using two word format was found convenient masigi maming thonbagi makhal adi ani na thonbagi se prithivi puna mang yanaraba posagamani let us take the example of the mango understand the way of the providing scientific name better khudam oina koina hainau gi maming ase thonba matamda the scientific name of mango is written as Mangifera indica ko let us see how the binomial name masai koina hojing magi maming singa in this name Mangifera present in the genus while indica is a particular species or the specific epithelial Mangifera se karani is represent the genus to gi maming ni indica is a particular species to gi phangpham madani order universal rules of the nomenclature are as follows adugumba rule khara maming adu thon ba sang da rule khara lagani kai lagani at first biological name are generally in the Latin and written each italic they are Latinized or derived from the Latin irrespective of their origin maming sing ase biological name sing ase always kai gani Latin word wegani aduga makoi sing ase iba matam da italic word ni igani aduga Latinized or adugumba wahi sing adogi sab chaba horak pham ama laigani kom the first word in the biological name represent the genus while the second component denote the specific epithelial ahan bagi maming asibuna kari gamni represent the genus adugi maming wegani ani shuba component asina denote the specific epithelial akang na mafam natra akang na kari gumba epithelial amu oigani ahum chubada both word in the biological name when the handwritten are separately underlined or printed in italic to indicate their Latin origin kari gumba scientific name ase iba matam da biological name da khun iba matam da na kaidogani makha da underline tawgani aduga print tawba matam da italic word igani kon mari chubada the first word denote the genus start with capital letter while the specific epithelial start with a small letter wahi ani ase iba matam da ahan bagi mai ase capital letter na iligani adu ani shubagi mai kasni small letter na hogani it can be illustrated with the example of Magnifera indica hojik yango haino gi maming Magnifera indica si iba matam da em na chogana hogani I indica na I na cha na hogani chumai igane ko chumai na ekoi na maming thon bagi niyom sing ase laigani ngasi gi di asi phokta tawsi ko let us stop here thank you